Starsky and Hutch, the 21st century environmental explorers, are down here. This was the bus station. And I'm trying to keep the children out of the video, so we can explain exactly what's going on.
Okay, so welcome in Chambery. We are here today to make a change here in the center of the town, because about 4 years ago it was a city station, no, bus station for the city, and so the city office decided to move the buses and to help the nature and the citizen to come here in the center of Chambery. So there is the elephant, the famous statue, and this is a really important place in the middle of, in the center of Chambery. And so we are here to plant some plants and for that, we are inviting all the citizens of Chambery, the kids, children, and the parents, and also the staff of the city.
Okay.
And we are all gardener today.
Right, so Starsky and Hutch are going to put a plant. We're going to plant a flower for you. Okay.
We plant flower, and it's
right.
The thing is really like participative.
Okay.
Occasion.
Right. So we're gonna, me and Starsky are gonna put a plant in for you. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Okay.
And Chambery, thank you very much.
Okay. Right. Away you go. It's filming.
Okay, come on, start.
Yeah, you take it off of the pot.
Non mais c'est pas grave, c'est pas grave.
Just pull, yeah, pull.
Voilà. Super. 14 novembre. Ouais.
This plant doesn't want to leave this plastic.
It's all plastic around everything. What do you reckon to this, Star? There we go. We got it out. We've got to escape from this plastic, There we go.
Here you go, yeah.
That's how difficult plastic is from getting from.
Nothing is easy.
No, nothing. This is how difficult plastic is nowadays. It's stuck to everything.
Yeah.
There we go, lovely. Now, no longer getting it.
Perfect.
Your hands are getting dirty. Okay? So, hello, it's our plant taste. So that's our bit, okay? Our bit for nature today.
Congratulations.
Thanks very much. Thank you.
So well done, Starsky.